A warm welcome to FIXtastic Contents, the channel to your solutions.
Hi guys. Welcome to another video on FIXtastic Contents. Today, in this tutorial I will show you how to update an Android device, which is not supported by its manufacturer anymore. In this video, I will show you how to update such a device to Android Pie, on any Android phone. So let's get started. So let's start with downloading the firmware file for the device. I am using HTC One M9, so I will download the custom firmware for HTC One M9. Open a web browser and enter URL, lineageos.org. Click on Download. Select your device's manufacturer from the left side, then the model of your device, and download the latest firmware as shown in the video. Then open a new tab and go to the URL, opengapps.org. Select your phone architecture, then click on Android 9.0, and, finally click on Nano or Pico. Then download the file as shown in the video. Copy the two files downloaded on your PC to an SD card and insert it to the device. Now, boot the device in TWRP and go to Mount. Check to mount System, Data, Cache and Micro SD card. Go to Wipe, then Advanced Wipe. And select System, Data and Cache and swipe the slider. Go back to the main menu, click on Install, and select the Lineage package and then slide the slider to install the firmware. Once it is completed, select the OpenGapps zip and slide the slider again to install the Google Apps. Once completed, press Wipe Dalvik and then click on Reboot. Remember, the first boot will take somewhere in between 10 to 20 minutes, so wait patiently. after the phone is booted. Complete the setup, and now, you can start using the device normally. As you can see, the device is now on Lineage OS and is now updated to Android 9.0 Pie. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video. Please subscribe to my channel, FIXtastic Content, for more related contents to come.